The heavy-duty staple gun is durable and reliable. Its chrome-plated all-steel construction is tough enough to survive dusty, dirty job sites. Day in and day out, all day long. When it comes to tape measures, it's reach that matters. Stanley tapes take you further, giving you the upper hand when you need more feet. Anything less just comes up short. This country needs workers. So grab your tools and help us build the next frontier. We need the brave, the builders, and the dreamers. If that's you, put on your Carhartt and join us. Tread is 25 hard-working tools you wear on your wrist, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, hex and box wrenches, even a cutting hook and bottle opener. So regardless of the job, the right tool is always at hand. Tread features 11 interchangeable links, each crafted from injection molded stainless steel. Tread, the go-to, go anywhere. From Leatherman, the original American multi-tool.